Sir, hi sir, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so please introduce yourself.
Yeah. My name is Dr. H.N. Singh. I am an IIT-BHU graduate. I have been working for many industries, including Havells and Hindustan Motors and other companies. I have got now two businesses. One is the lean manufacturing and management consultancy, and the other one is special purpose machine manufacturing. And I found this program given by Mr. Verma very useful for the industry, and I will try to recommend my partner and discuss with him, Mr. Vikram Kumar, for VMake automation, how we can implement the most important part of that CRM software, and which could be useful for him. And we will come back and we will recommend also to the other industries, because I found it very economical as well as very comprehensive and robust solution, which can be implemented very fast with respect to the other, because I have seen in my previous company like Havells India Limited, implementing an ERP solutions and other solutions take lot of training, lot of time, and it takes about a 1 year time, for a bigger organization. For a medium organization, it may take 5 to 6 months. But as he has suggested that it will take only few weeks to implement, I appreciate, and probably we will recommend it to more organizations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.